This is Damon from Life Inspirations. I want to share with you this new AEGISLINK fire detector I purchased through Amazon. I'm not their spokesman, but I thought that you all would enjoy this one, especially if you have a house with many rooms, and fire detectors can be very expensive. So check the video out. You can purchase it on Amazon, AEGISLINK, and I think you will be very pleased with the results. It's a 10-year battery-less, battery-operated fire detector that you don't have to worry about waking up in the middle of the night hearing that agonizing beep. So I purchased 6-pack of them and got them in all my rooms. So watch the video if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.